Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle, the second puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Monday, August the 7th, 2023. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 0-star Sudoku. Well, it turns out this is not a 0 stars, but the 2 stars because I need more minutes to solve this puzzle. So 3 puzzles are left. The binary, the tectonic, and you are interested in 4 stars Sudoku. Well, this one is misprinted, publisher. Yeah, misprinted because we missed this line. Anyway, this will be number 6882. Yeah, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits, and it's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. Yeah, the less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. Yeah, solve the puzzle. Yeah, but it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more. 30 minutes or more to solve. Yes, we will see if this is really a 4 stars puzzle. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s, we have here 2 2s, we have here 3 3s, we have here 4 4s. All right, we have here 1 2 3 5s, 2 6 3 6s, 2 7s, and 2 8s, and 3 9s. So the 4s are in majority. Can I start with the 4? That's the question. Yeah. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, only place left for the 4. Shoot me down. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the last column, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. Yeah, 4 in this row, no 4 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, 4, 4, 4. Cannot continue with the 4 now. Need to wait. Here we have 2 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers in this row are the numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Alright. 1, 1. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 6. We have a 1 and a 6 in the third row, so no 1 and 6 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. The 1 and 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6. 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7 and 8. 7 and 8. Okay. So we have a pair here. Well, we have a 4 and a 7 in the last column. 4 and a 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places left for the 4 and 7 goes in these 3 boxes. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. And look, we have a 4 and a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this third row. So no 4 and a 7 in this box. 4 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. Alright. So I need a 1 here. And I need a 8. Okay. So we have a pair again. The 1 and 8 in this row. First row. The 1 and 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the third row, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. Alright. Then. Then. Need a 9 here. And need a 2 here. Alright. Well, I need to wait. 999. Think. Well, need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. 7, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 in these 3 boxes. Here, 7 in this row, no 7 in those 3 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in this row, 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So the row below, only 2 places left for the 7. Could be here, could be there. Okay. 6, 6, need a 6 there, okay. Let me think. 3, 3. Need a 7. Need a 1 here. I'm thinking 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the 6. Could be here, could be there. Need a 6 there. Well. Yeah, let me put the 6 there. Let me mark those numbers. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 could be here, could be there. And we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 in these 3 boxes. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. Alright. We have here 4 missing numbers. Apologies. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers in this big square is the number 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. So we have a 9 in the first row, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. So the 9 could be here, could be there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5 in this big square. We have a 5 in the second row, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. Here, 5 in the middle column, no 5 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Alright, one of the missing number in this big square is the number 2. Well, we have a 2 in the first row, so no 2 there. So the 2 should be in one of these 3 boxes. But we see a 2 in the last column, so no 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number. I believe the 1, the 2, 3 is missing here. Yeah, 3 is missing. So we have 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So the third row, only place left for the 3 should be there. 295. Okay. Yeah, it should be the 4 and the 7 then. We have a 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 4. Could be here, could be there. Need a 5 here. Okay, 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, only place left for the 3 should be there. complicated, this puzzle. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, only 3 place level, 3 should be here or there. You see a 3 in this row, no 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. 3 missing numbers in the first column, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, and a 9 is missing. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. Here, 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. Only place level the 9 should be there. So the 8 and the 3 are left. Let me mark those. Alright. We have a 1 in this column, 1 in the first column, so the column between. Second column, only 2 place level the 1. Could be here, could be there. Yeah. So the 1 is 7. 2 is missing here. Well, we have a 2 in this middle row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 in the third column, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. And I've eliminated the 1. So the 1 goes there. And I've eliminated the 7. So the 7 goes there. So 1 is left in this big square for the 1 and 2. The 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 in the third column, 5 in the first column, so the column between only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the third row, last row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the mouse. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, and 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in the second column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 7 and 8. We have 8 in this second column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. 7 goes there. Alright. Well, let me continue. 6 to 1. Well, we need a 2 in the last row. Well, here can be a 2 because we have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. The only 2 places left for 2 goes together with the 6 as a pair. 2 and a 6. So 1 is left in this last row for number 1 then. 1 and 8. We have a 1 in last column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and 8 goes there. Alright, so 2, 3, 8. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2, 3, 8. 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8. We have a 2 and 8 in last column, so no 2 and 8 in this box. 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 3. Yeah. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, only 3 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Here, 9 and a 5. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 5 goes there. So 2 numbers left here, the 2 and the 5. Well, here can be a 5, we have a 5 here. So the 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Alright, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column, so the column between the only place left for 8 should be there. 3 and 8, we have 8 now in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 3 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above the only 2 place left for 8 should be here. Or there, we see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 8. Alright. Let me see. Yeah. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. 1 is missing. I believe it's 6. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. Yeah, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. So 1 is missing. The 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. Let me mark those. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1 and 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, 5 is missing. Yeah, need a 5 here. Well, we have a 5 in this column, middle column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. And we need a 6 in this big square, so this box should be a 6 then. 6, yeah, 6. Alright, 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column left. Oh, wait, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 now in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 and a 7, we have a 2 now in this middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 7 goes there. And the 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next only place level 2 should be there. 1 box left in this column. For now, I believe the 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing here. So the 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next only place level the 7 should be there. And I've eliminated the 9, so the 9 goes there. Oh, and I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. 4 and a 7, we have a 4 now in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 7 goes there. Yeah. 1 box left in this middle column for number 1. And 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. Finished in 16 minutes. Well. Quicker than a previous Sudoku. Well. 16 minutes. Previous Sudoku is an interesting one, yes. But we solve it again. 4 stars. No. Let me give this a 2 stars. Yeah, again a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 15 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1 star. But we solve it again, and I like this one, so we do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it to solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the tectonic. Until then, bye bye for now.